take this door handle off, you'll see this, well, it's supposed to be a red sticker on here, or a red reflector. Someone's already been in here, so mine's tore off, but if yours is still intact, remove it, peel it off, poke a hole through it, do whatever you have to do, but you have to get a T25 Torx bit through here, and then you'll see the bolt on the back side there, on the back side of the door handle. Remove that bolt. Okay, once you have your tool on there, remove the bolt. It'll come all the way out. If it happens to fall down into the door, you'll have to take the door panel off and get it back that way, so just be careful. Okay, try not to hit it on anything. You can pull this piece back, the door lock with the cover. The white part is just a plastic cover, so you can remove that. Now you take this door handle, push it back. There we go. And out. There's your door handle. Try not to close your door. Get some of this dirt off so the new seal can seal up. Insert your door handle in, and then press it towards the front of the door. It should snap into place. Now take this cap for the door lock, slide it on, press this on. Now let's put the little Torx screw back in. Very gently feed it through. Make sure it lines up with the hole on this outer piece, and start it in. Snug it up and remove your tool.